Hello guys, today I am going to show how to partitioning the disk from one to another one. So for example, if you have seen this image, I have 231 GB of Windows C, and if you have seen in the right side, there is an empty space of 137.97. But when I try to right click this, I can't able to extend. So I have found various videos in YouTube and it's really confusing. So I have found a simple solution. So let's get into the video. And right now I have completed the process. So if you can see, I have extended the GP from 231 into plus 137. If you add, you can get that 369. So how I have done it, and also I have to teach how to split this new volume D into another new volume E. So this is a simple step, but first we need to solve this solution. So if you find various videos, there is lot of confusion. So first I have put this image into ChatGPT and asked what is the step, and it thought around 47 seconds and give me a solution with two options. One is option A and option B. So I have chosen option A and I have worked on that, and it's successfully without any data loss it completed. So you also follow this step only. So first thing, if you have any important videos or images or any documents, you need to backup in pen drive or something else. And the next step, suspend BitLocker on C and D. So this is a simple step. So for that you need to open device encryption. From search box you need to search device encryption. So from that you need to click this. I will show only demo you need to do with parallelly. So we have see device encryption. From that there is an option called device encryption on. You need to click this into off. Actually I have completed, so you need to click this off. There is no nothing to worry. For example, why we are off, this means I have asked already this. What is BitLock encrypted? So if you see, BitLock encrypted is a built-in Windows feature that encrypt your drive so that nobody can read the data without the correct password or encryption key. So you need to save this encryption key. For that, it will save under. You can save at anywhere. I have saved my encryption key in pictures, and this is a demo and recovery key. So you need to store somewhere, or you need to mail something else for safety purpose, or you take snapshot. Okay. And the next step, and the third steps is install and open the partition tool. So partition tool means third party app. So I have installed a third party app name called EPM free installer. So you can directly search. So go to Chrome and EPM installer. Okay, I think its name is. Wait one second. Okay, sorry. East US. The app name is East US. So you need to go Chrome and use US Partition Master. Free download. And you need to click the first link and you need to download. Actually, I have downloaded this. Click free download and it will automatically download. And the next step you need to do is go to control panel. As I already said, go to BitLock encryption, suspend the protection. Suspend the protection means you need to click off this. Okay. After all completed, you need to on this. Actually, right now I have on this. The encryption is in progress right now. And the next step, install and open the partition tool. Run as admission. No need to run as admit. So if you install already, the app name will be shown in search box. Okay. Actually it's time consuming. It take around 20 minutes only, but it's simple task. And you need to open this app, and it will ask run as administrator. You need to click run as admin, and the next step is move D to far right and select choose move to resize. So what the step is means, you need to click right D and select resize or move. Okay, the encryption is in progress, so you can click key. Why for me it's showing encryption is in progress means, if you go to my settings, I have clicked on, so that's why the encryption is in progress for Windows C and D. If you see for E, it also come under BitLocker encryption on this device is in progress. So if you off that, it will not show like that. You need to click resize and move, and there is a slider will come here, and you need to drag and drop into last corner so that the D will be come under this and E will be come under this. Okay, I don't have any demo, so that's why. Okay, for disk manager you can click Windows plus R, and you need to type disk mgmt.msc, and the disk management will open. This is a simple step only. And if you see Windows C, LT record, new volume D, new volume E, so it will come under BitLock encrypted. So if you off that, you can directly see BitLock decrypted. It means it will be safe to shift from one to one. And the next step is, as I already said, move to the, we can just follow the ChatGPT instruction. Move D to far right. There will be a slide window will be come here. You need to, okay, wait. Right click, resize and move. Like that, there will be a slide window will come. You need to click that and drag and move so that this NTF will be come to this right side, and the unallocated space will come to this side. For unallocated, what we'll do means, there is a simple step. Okay, you need to right click and shrink volume or delete volume so that the empty space will be unallocated, and that's 34 GB or 71 GB will be unallocated. And the next step, you need to come to this app, and you need to right click and move towards right. Actually this steps works, it's very simple. And you need to click apply, and the PC may reboot. You need, you may skip this option. Like if you click OK, after all you need to on this. Okay, and this new volume D and E will come under right, and the unallocated space will be here. And the next step is to close this app and open to the disk management. You need to click Windows plus R and disk mgmt disk msc, and it will open disk manager, and you need to click Windows C. Right now my Windows C is BitLock encrypted, so I can't able to extend. But if you off this setting, then the unallocated space will be here right after LT recovery. So you can right click and click the extend volume, and it will automatically merge the unallocated space into Windows C. Like that only I have completed. So actually it took around 10 to 15 minutes. For exploration itself, it took around another 15 minutes. So actually 30 minutes itself I have completed the task. After completed all this, you need to on this device encryption, and you may close this, and you can close this app as well and uninstall also if you need it, or you can in future purchase also you can take. So as I already said, now we will have unallocated recovery and D. Like that the format will be there. After this the layout become See unallocated recovery D. You can see from disk manager space. Okay, and after that click the right click from disk manager and extend. That's it. But ChatGPT says you need to go to app. But if you go to app, they will tell us subscribe, but we don't need to subscribe. You can close the app and come to disk manager and right click and extend the volume. That's it. After that you can close. Option A works superbly. You can try option B also, but I didn't try option B because for myself option A worked within 10 minutes. Okay, so if you understand this command itself, no need to listen my talk or video. Just take screenshot or try this. It's actually worked, but the app I have used is EASCUS, so remember that. Okay, if you see in this screenshot as well, my time is 9:47. Okay, 9:47 I have took the screenshot. Okay, and if you see 10:6 I have completed the task, and 10:7 I have started the encryption. So now the encryption is in progress right now. So after that you can save this encryption. Just it's as a ChatGPT already said like that. It's just an encryption key so that the third party can't able to access our data. Nothing else about that. You can manually on and off from settings, but on permanently. Okay, that's very useful if someone took your laptop and they will try to access your hardware data. Means this BitLocker encryption will protect from unknown party. Okay, that's how the BitLocker party will work. So apart from the this video, I think it will be very useful. If you want option B also, you can try backup everything, suspend BitLocker, same the two steps. And third step, disable binary. So you need to go to command prompt and command this command and delete D. But I didn't try this, so for myself option A worked. So everyone, I think it will work because most of them, if you see, most of them, if you see, open the disk management will be there will be LT recovery item, LT recovery. So it will come under between new volume D and new volume B. So most of them, whoever having this kind of allocation, you need to do with this simple step only. You need to move, drag and drop to right side, and you need to apply the changes, and again you need to click the LT recovery and you need to drag and drop to right side, so that the unallocated memory will come Windows C unallocated right to after that. So you need to click close the tab, and you need to come to Windows C and click disk. You need to come for disk management, and you need to click Windows C and click right click and extend the volume. That's it. And you can close the app, and after that you need to start this encryption. Okay, that's it. And you may close this also, but I have opened. That's it from this video. If you have any query, you may comment so that I can look into your query and I will respond. Okay, thank you for watching this video. If you have any queries, you may let me know. That's it.